Hello everyone, this is your boy BG from Rakesh Memories, and today's tutorials I'm going to teach you how I whiten the teeth and eyes in Photoshop in less than 2 minutes. Now, the reason why we whiten the teeth and the eyes is most times when we are shooting, during the shooting we add a bit of warm light into the scene and all that, so due to that it adds some warmth into the teeth and eyes, and that is the main reason why I whiten the eyes and the teeth. You understand? So there are two different things when it comes to whitening of the eyes and teeth. One, whitening of the eyes and teeth, and then brightening of the eyes and teeth. You understand? But a lot of people have been brightening the eyes and the teeth but are not whitening it. So today I'm going to teach you how I whiten the eyes and teeth and then brighten it up. You understand? So let's get into it. So the first thing I do is I duplicate the background layer. Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, and then I'll change the blend mode from normal to color. Yes. Then I'll pick my brush tool and then change the opacity to 50%, and then change the flow to 50% as well. So the reason why I'm changing the flow and the opacity to 50% is I want it to be very subtle. I want it to be very subtle. That is why I'm changing it to 50% and then the flow to 50%, so that whenever we brush we get a subtle adapt. You understand? So I'm beginning to brush. So this is the whitening. I'm whitening the eyes. Whitening the eyes. You understand? So, and then I'll whiten the teeth as well. Make sure you don't brush into the gums, just brush only the teeth. If you make a mistake, take the eraser tool and then erase it. So I'm brushing only the teeth but not into the gum. So this is whitening of the eyes and teeth. So let's see the before and after. So you can clearly see we have whitened the teeth. Now the next thing I'll do is I'll stamp visible. That is Ctrl Alt Shift E. So Ctrl Alt Shift E to stamp visible. And then the next thing I'll do is I'll pick my brightness and contrast adjustment, and then I'll push the brightness up a little bit to my satisfaction. So I'll keep it at 70, and then I will invert, Ctrl I to invert. Then I'll pick the brush again and then maintain the opacity at 50, the flow at 50 as well, and then I'll brush to brighten up what we did. So I'm brightening. So make sure you keep the foreground color at white because we are painting on black. So I'm brightening the eyes, and then I'm brightening the teeth as well. So we first whitened the teeth and the eyes, and now we are brightening it up. You feel me? So we are brightening it up. Okay, so we are done. So when you feel there's too much for you, you can just reduce the opacity so that it becomes very subtle. So this one I'll keep the opacity at, this is 60%. 60 is fine. So very subtle. It doesn't look like cartoon kind of. So thanks for watching this tutorials. See you next time. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.